Hi everyone, hi Professor. Today I'll be talking about what we did for our assignment on week 7, purchasing in organization for the 4 organizations. Today I've concluded and compiled it into a slideshow and tell you guys more about it. So this is the overview of the agenda that I will be talking about today. First, we are going to talk about the organizational purchasing and type of purchasing situation, followed by the purchasing process, how the employees are involved in cultural, and also what motivates them and influence them, and followed by the impact of external factors, and a conclusion, and show you my references. All right, here's the 4 organization that I've chose to talk about the purchasing behavior. First, we have Chevrolet. Second, McDonald's. Third, Walmart. And fourth, San Jose State University, which I am an alumni there. So the 3 purchasing behavior that happens a lot in the organizations. First, straight rebuys, which means it's a routine repurchase with no changes. They just click to order, same process every time. Second, it's a modified rebuy, which they'll reorder the same thing, but with slight modification with the products or the vendor changes. And third, it's a new task, which they're trying an error, and also first time purchasing in different product and also vendor to see how it goes. And the types of purchasing situation, we're going to break it down in 4 by each organization and how is it beneficial for them. So first, Chevrolet, they use modified rebuy. They upgrade the tech with robotic arms to reduce manual inspection. So they have to do this, I would say quarterly or yearly, so that they stay up to date with all the tech. And second, it's McDonald's. They do straight rebuy because in a restaurant, the most important thing is to have a good menu. And once you have a good menu, just try to standardize the food and stay consistent with the food quality and inventory. Third, it's Walmart. They use this new task because this can be beneficial for the organization because the client and also the customer, they call it, can have new products and it can target different market scope and draw in different customer with different customer needs. And the fourth, it's organization San Jose State. They use modified rebuy because it changed the tech procurement based on the evolving of education demands. So purchasing process, cultural motivation, and employees involvement. Break it down in 3 decision-making roles for employees, cultural influence, and motivation. Let's talk about the first one, decision-making. Chevrolet, engineers, QA, marketing, R&D are all involved in making decision for the company. McDonald's, a manager using the digital system and also those that actually coordinates the order. And Walmart, the financial team, the whole cloud portal based employees, marketing, and also the store managers across different Walmarts. The fourth, SJSU, definitely the professor, IT people, and community manager, and also tech and academic needs people. For cultural influence, Chevrolet, innovation and vendor loyalty, McDonald's, efficiency and low cost culture. And for Walmart, data driven and AI focused culture. SJSU, cost effective, student centered public value. Motivations. Chevrolet have a product safety and performance motivation, which can help employees and also customer to um, be loyal to them and also motivate them to continue using Chevrolet. And McDonald's, it's the price and also the food consistency. And Walmart, it's lowest price and a variety of different products. For HSU, it's the quality education on a budget. So what are the impact of external factors? Basic definition of external factor are the external situation that will affect the decision-making process. For example, how the competition can affect the competitor to do something that can influence them. And also what are the law changes and the economic changes which can indirectly affect the organization. So for Chevrolet, chip shortage impact production timeline and trade tariff increase supply costs. McDonald's is comply with changing food safety and agriculture regulation, which second, it's the sensitive of global supply chain distribution. Walmart intense competition with Amazon and other big retailers. Also, the environmental responsibility shapes procurement, sustainability effort. For San Jose State, it faces limited public funding and budget capacity, and relies on government subsidized and cost-effective vendors. So in conclusion, there isn't a one-size-fits-all organization purchasing rules that we should all follow. It really depends on the company needs, what are the external factors, and also how the company wants to market themselves to the public. It really depends on the type of purchases that we talk about, straight rebuy, modified rebuy, and new types. And also the employee involvement plays a crucial role in purchasing decision, followed by the corporate culture and motivation, and also the external force, like I mentioned. This is basically it. These are my references. Thank you guys.